Welcome to part 6 of the series Alternative Tools to some of the popular Linux commands, and in this video we look at the TLDR pages. Now TLDR stands for too long, didn't read, and the TLDR pages is a collection of community maintained help pages for command line tools. Okay, and this provides a more simplified and concise reference to command line tools compared to the traditional man pages. Okay, so TLDR pages is a more concise and brief alternative to the man pages, and it makes it easier for Linux users, especially beginners, to have a preview of the Linux commands and their command line options. Now, to demonstrate how to use TLDR, first of all, we need to install it. So to demonstrate this, I have Ubuntu 24.04 and I'm going to install using the pip, which is the Python package manager. Okay, so the first step is to ensure that Python is installed, and Python 3.12 comes already pre-installed in Ubuntu 24.04. And to confirm this, I'm going to run the command Python 3 with the -v option. V is uppercase. So as you can see, Python 3.12 is already installed. Now the next step will be to install pip. Okay, now to do so, run the command sudo apt install Python 3 pip, like that. Okay, and hit enter. So here I'm going to authenticate using my password and hit enter. Okay, so as you can see, this will install a bunch of packages. So to proceed, type Y on the keyboard and hit enter. So this will install all the associated packages and will take about a minute or two, so just be patient. And there you go. So we have successfully installed pip. Okay, and to confirm this, I'm going to run the command pip 3 then version, like that, and hit enter. Okay, so as you can see, we are running the most recent version of pip, which is pip 24.0. Okay, now once you've installed pip, the next step is to install a virtual environment in which we will be running the TLDR pages. Okay, so to do so, run the command sudo apt install Python 3.12 virtual environment v and v, like that. Okay, so hit enter. So this will install the virtual environment alongside all the tools required. Okay, so here type Y and hit enter, and there you go. So we have successfully installed the virtual environment package. Okay, now here I'm going to clear the screen. Now the next step will be to create the virtual environment, and to do so, simply run the command Python 3 -m then v virtual environment, like that. Then specify your virtual environment. So here I'm going to specify my _ environment, like that, and hit enter. So this will take a few seconds for the creation of the virtual environment folder, as you shall see. So here I'm going to run the ls-l my _ environment, like that, and as you can see, this is our directory. Okay, and we can also view the contents of this directory. So my _ environment. Okay, so these are the directory contents. Okay, now once you have the environment in place, the next step will be to activate it. Okay, so to do so, simply run the command source, then the name of the folder, in this case my _ env, then bin activate. Okay, and once you do that, you can see now that the prompt has changed, and as you can see, it has changed to the name of my environment directory. Okay, now once we are here, now we can install the TLDR man pages, and to do so, simply run the command pip 3 install TLDR, like that, and hit enter. So this is going to install TLDR man pages, and we are done. Okay, so now to confirm the version, you can run TLDR version, and as you can see, we have installed TLDR 3.4.1. Okay, now let's see how TLDR compares to man pages. So for example, if you want to have a quick reference to the ls command, simply run the command TLDR followed by the command, in this case ls, and hit enter. Okay, so in a short while you're going to see a quick reference, and there we go. Okay, so as you can see, we have ls, which is used for listing directory contents, and here you can see command line examples. Okay, so for example, to list files one per line, you run the command ls-1. To list all files including the hidden ones, you run the command ls:\all. Okay, so you can read through. All right, and you can agree with me, this is quite a more simplified and concise way compared to the traditional man pages. Okay, let's check out another example. So for example, TLDR chmod, which is a command used for granting file permissions. And this is what you get. Okay, so you can see chmod change the access permissions of a file and directory. And here below you get examples of how to use the chmod command. Okay, and as you can see, it's quite simplified in a way that everybody can grasp whatever they can see. Okay, so that's it for this video. In this video, you have looked at TLDR pages, and you have seen it's quite a handy and nifty collection of community maintained help pages that provides a more simplified and concise manual compared to the traditional man pages. And that's it for this video. Thank you, and see you in the next video.